Hello and welcome to the video. Back in 2023 I bought this unbuilt Gen 1 Axial SCX10 Jeep Wrangler G6 kit on eBay. 2 years on and I've finally begun to build it. As we're having nice weather, I decided to start with the body. I cut it out from the mould and rubbed over it lightly with wet and dry sandpaper. Then I washed it and masked off the cockpit, front grille and front fenders, which I wanted to paint black. I also used the mask provided for the windscreen and used 3 coats of Tamiya PS3 light blue as the main colour for that and the body. I backed them with 2 coats of silver and also painted the back of the light buckets with silver too. Then I removed the masking from the body and sprayed everything with 3 coats of black. This is what it looks like now the paint has dried and the film has been peeled off. Some black paint has seeped under the masking tape around the top of the grille and a few other places. But the interior and front fenders look okay. And the underneath looks good, so it's not too bad. Next I stuck on the decals. This was an easy job because they're pre-cut. And I didn't go full box art with them because I don't like a lot of decals on my RC bodies. And for a cleaner look I left off the many sponsored decals that are provided in the kit. Now that stage of the body is done, I can assemble and fit the cage onto it. So now that's done, I'm pleased with the way it looks, because the decals and cage help to draw attention away from the blemishes on the body. Now I start to build the chassis. The first step is to assemble the axles. And the kit comes with metal diff gears and metal bearings. The next stage is the wild bore drive shafts. These are made with plastic and metal parts. The shafts are plastic and the CV joints at the ends are metal. Then it's on to the shock absorbers, and these are the parts. The metal shock bodies and metal oil reservoirs are upgrades which are included in this G6 kit. It also comes with a huge bottle of shock oil, and it only took this much to fill up all 4 of them. These are the shocks assembled, and they're a dual spring setup with axial small red soft springs at the top and axial longer green medium springs at the bottom. The next step is to add the suspension links, shock absorbers and drive shafts to the axles. The upper suspension links are plastic and the lower suspension links are metal upgrades that are also included in the kit version of this G6. And these need to be assembled before fitting. Here are the completed axles ready to fit to the chassis. That's as far as I've got with the build at the moment. I'll make an update video when it's all finished and hopefully you'll join me for that. Thank you very much for watching.